This is not just a battle. This is the moment the world remembers our names.
In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the Google AI Flow, and I'll teach you how you can get a free credits for Flow. So here we go. So you can see I have that image. Now I have converted that image to the video. So let me show you the video here. And here this video is. And as you can see here, this have the audio also.
This says this Hawa Mahal view is really amazing.
Wow. Fantastic. He added the sound effect and the noise and everything in real. So first of all, just search your Google Flow and open that website labs.googleflow. And you need to click on the create with Flow. And you can see the option of sign in with Google. Just click on it. And here you can create a video. So you can see the option of create a new project. Click on this new project. And then you can select the thing. As you can see, text to video and the frame to video. So I'm going to just select the frame to video here. And now we need to upload the any image. So let's click on the plus icon. Let's click on the upload image. Select any image. Like suppose, let me just try this image. Now we have that image. Click on crop and save. Here you can write a prompt like, hey, thing, cried my boarding bus, your book channel, something like that. You can write any prompt or anything here, okay? And let's click on enter and make sure you can see the setting option and you can generate the output 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm going to just select the 1 here and a model is like V3 fast, okay? And let's click on, you will need a 20 credits to create that video, okay? Right now I have around 940 credits and I'll show you how you can also get 1000 credits, okay, free of cost. Now finally the video is created. Let me just see how that will look. Okay, let's play this.
Please subscribe the Coding Bus YouTube.